Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be doing some live trading today. Already got my analysis set up and what I'm looking for. We have 6 minutes until market open. Let's just quickly do some top-down analysis here. All right, so what am I thinking, right? If we're going by candle closures, overall order flow is bearish, but especially since this candle closed below all of this, so logical thinking would be that we're going lower. However, we did take out this low, so that kind of does changes some things. We have an SMT setting low of day right now, which I didn't even mark out. But we do have an SMT setting low of day right now. So I'm thinking at market open, we're actually going to go back up to the upside. Maybe not all the way, like wipe out our current day high, but at least retrace back up into the range. Now that analysis could be totally flipped on its head and we could just continue going lower, but that's why I think the discretionary portion of this matters, and that's why I'm going to be looking at how price reacts, specifically at that 9:30 open. So if price is going to continue to the downside, I'm going to be looking for an open high low close, right? Yeah, but if price is going up, then I want to see it respect the low of day and then continue to the high, right? So if we go to so not much here on the 4 hour, except for the fact that I marked out there our 800 candle. As you can see, price came down a lot already on the day, so I'm not expecting us to go all the way back up here, although there is an inefficiency here, but I'm not expecting that, right? And not only that, high of day is not really set with anything in particularly, so, but am I expecting us to run all of this back up to the upside? Not necessarily. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Now, what am I noticing? We have a 1 hour model here pointing us up to the upside after this 8 o'clock closure. So I'm expecting this 9 o'clock to go higher. We do have an inefficiency up here. And what do we also have? We have our 6 o'clock candle that does not have a wick. That does not have a wick. So that's an indication that we could revisit this area. And then what else? What else? I think there was one other thing. I don't know. We have a 1 hour model. We have a 6 o'clock candle. Oh yeah, so also 6 o'clock open low, right? So this 6 o'clock candle. So we're kind of retracing back up. So we could definitely see some bullish intention here. Or we could go higher into this inefficiency and then come back down if that is the play. So right now, if I'm mostly going to be monitoring the 30-minute, because technically this move is already in play right now. As you can see, we close back here. So this is the 9 o'clock candle right now. So we're already in play. We haven't moved away that significantly. And again, that's probably because we are coming into that 9:30 open, which is equities open. So the market's probably a little bit, oh God, if you guys hear that noise, there's like someone mowing. Wow. Let's also look at trade at Forex Factory, because I actually don't know if there's news coming in or not. So let's take a look at that real quick. So we have no news today. Today is today's a Friday. So that's even more reason to believe that we're coming back into the range, because I believe the whole week we've just been down, right? So TGIF, yeah. Good reason to believe that we're going to be coming back into the range even more. No news today, and it's a Friday. Great. So let's move this here from a 30-minute standpoint. They literally just had to start mowing their lawn today. Jeez. So we're coming back into the range of this candle, though. 2 minutes until market open. I want to see how... I'm going to go down to the 50-minute. I want to see how 9:30 reacts. So ideally, I want to see I930 maybe make a 50-minute model off of this candle. Come lower, enter, and yeah. If we start barreling up to the upside, I might try to get on side, but right now, it's a little bit of an interesting area. Sorry for all the noise. They literally just had to start mowing as soon as I'm doing this, but... 2 minutes until market open. 30 minutes a little bit more clear. So the old me would usually wait 50 minutes before, but I'm not trying to do that because I'm trying to anticipate that 30-minute candle overall. So I'm just going to be looking at the first maybe 5 minutes of the 30-minute candle to see what is the play here. We already have a SMT setting low of day. We have a 1-hour model already, and a 30-minute model. So I would like to see this 9:30 candle. Well, I would have liked to see this 9 o'clock candle expand, but let's see if we get an expansion. We could get a C2 off of 9 o'clock candles low, and then 9:30 expand to the upside. So that's ideally what I'm looking for. Now, before that, I want to calculate what. So I'm gonna be risking 1% of this amount ideally. So 9:30 just opened. Just trying to quickly calculate this times 1%, which will be around $982. Alright, so 9:30, right? So we open and load a little bit. Let's wait for the first 5 minutes, and then we can possibly get on side, because we do have a C2 candle, but we don't have a model, unless we're just going to be continuing off of this 30-minute model here, which could definitely be the case here. But it would be nice to see like a sweep of some sort, but I think we're going to ideally be going up higher here. Why? Because this candle has no wick, and this is a 6 o'clock candle. So good reason to believe that we're going higher. So we're coming back down right now. It would be nice if we can see a 50. Oh, look, see? Look, 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 look. That's exactly what I was expecting. But I want to see us start to pull back up higher now. So this 9:30 candle is opening low first. Then I want to start seeing a pushback upwards. We do have a small 50-minute SMT at the high. At the high here. But I think it could be a fake SMT. So let's just watch it. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. See if we get anything in the next 5 minutes. If not, then probably won't take a trade. So right now we're opening low. We actually went high first, actually. And now we're coming low, but let's just see it. Mind you, this is a C3 closure. So this does support expansion to the upside. This is also a C3 closure. So we have a 50-minute C3 closure, a 30-minute C2 closure, a 1-hour C2 closure. I'd like to see that hold ideally. Let's just see. Right now we're going to the downside, but I mean it's still fine, because if we sweep this out, it could just be another sweep before we go higher. It's quite aggressive though. So we're sweeping that out. Didn't want to see that, but hey. Since it swept that, I'm gonna go out high. I'm gonna go out a little bit farther. Because it just invalidated that, it just invalidated this model. So actually, I could trade lower because we do have that draw there on ES. We do have an SM, it's not actually an SMT, but we traded back in within this from a 30-minute standpoint, C2 closure back in. And now we're following through to the downside, but I'm not so hasty to just start trading short within the 30 minutes of the equities open. So I'm gonna wait, give it at least 5 minutes. So not only that, we have nowhere else to go, right? ES has somewhere to go, but NASDAQ realistically doesn't. I doubt we're going on a Friday. You really think we're gonna get down here on a Friday? I don't think so. And then if it does get down here, it kind of nulls the SMT as well, right? The only issue is here, I can't necessarily trade low. We do have a PSP, but we don't have an SMT. We didn't tap into any relevant PD array. If we, for one instant, went all the way up here and then rejected off, then I'd be like, yeah, we're definitely bearish. But I can't realistically say that in this case scenario here. And now if we go out to 1 hour standpoint, this really did supported movement back up to the upside, but we've now taken that low. So I just have to see. Because if we wanted to go higher, we'd want to see the driver start to flip bullish, but that's not what we're getting here. Now, if you went high, right, this is the 9:30 open, and we went high. Looks like we actually do have an SMT here. They're kind of equal, though. This would be the retest. Wait, did we just reach that low? What is this supposed to be? SMT, why is it all the way over there? So if you were trying to catch 9:30 open, this would be the breakup structure. This would be a retest. We'd have to see a closure below this to maybe target down here. But I don't know about that, you know? So now we're trading back up higher. SMT is still intact. And then not only that, I couldn't trade lower because what would validate us going lower? A closure below these green candles, which we're not getting. It looks like we're seeing a V-shaped reversal here. So this is supporting a reversal signatures. We have the inverse right here, inverse fair value gap. Right here. So if we're going to trade higher, what would be the signatures that I would need to see a retest, which we're not getting. Now let's go back up to the 1 hour just to see what the hell's going on. So now we're getting a reversal signature, which is exactly what I want to see. Now that's great actually. So we open load, we're going up higher now. So actually I can possibly look to get on side now because we have another C2 closure here. The only thing is that I need a retest. I can't validate this until I get a retest. So we got the inverse fair value gap here. And a fair value gap if this closes, but I need a retest. Don't have a retest yet. Where would be going to? Up here. Another breakup structure. I need a retest. So yeah, it looks like we're definitely bullish here. That's great. Now the question is, where am I taking this trade? If it gets all the way up there without giving me an entry, then I'm possibly not taking the trade, right? Now you could, if we close, you could definitely enter this as a 30-minute entry. This is also an inverse fair value gap here on the 3-minute, but it looks like it's just barreling up. So it definitely looks like higher is definitely the play here. I just need a continuation confluence, which I'm not getting. And I guess you could just enter here, set maybe a limit order, and then wait to be tapped in. But quite frankly, this is a huge stop because your stop would have to be down here, right? Not exactly what I want to play. Now, in terms of what am I taking, probably NASDAQ. Why? Just because it's a little bit more bullish. It didn't have as deep as a retracement. It's a little bit more aggressive to the upside here. It looks like we're probably getting that retracement now. So we have another fair value gap here. So if we get a closure, I don't trust this. I want to see a deeper retracement into this fair value gap. I could take it if it closes, but not exactly ideal, right? It's kind of just barreling up. Like, give me an entry. I don't know if I can realistically take this when we have so many inefficiencies here. Haven't even tapped back into the 3-minute CISD here either. We're barreling up there. Oh my god. Give me an entry! Should I just limit order it? I could. I don't really think that's great practice though. Long. Oh wow, up here would be like 1 to 3. I don't need all that, so let's just target 1 to 3. Now how would this work now? Because I am so bad at like... I want to do a market order though. Oh, like that? So how would I'm so unfamiliar with taking a market order. So like this, something like that. Yeah, so we're finally getting that retrace, which is exactly what I want to see. If we close this and we close above, then I'll just take the entry, right? If we close above this candle, I'll take the entry, although... I'll just have to market order this. If we close above the black candle. I'd like to actually see us come back into the fair value gap, realistically speaking. Okay, we closed. If we close above that, I'm taking the buy. So I might have to adjust. Probably do the body and adjust it actually to here. So I'll just do that. Oh shit, it's already taking off. The moment we close, I'm hitting buy. Buy. It takes a while for it to be put in, which is kind of annoying. Any day now. It's not coming back in. Oh shoot, did I mess up? Well, one, it's not setting my order, and two, it's not setting my order. Where the hell is my order? What the hell? It didn't set my order. I'm confused. What the hell? Where's my fucking order, bro? I literally... What? I'm so confused. What? I'm logged into paper trading. It won't set my order. Why won't it set my order? Is this shit for real right now, bro? Oh my god. I think TradingView is broken, bro. It's not working. My trade isn't being set. Okay. Well, that makes no sense. I should have done this trade a long time ago, and it's not working. Why is this not working? Guys, I would have been in this trade from like here. I would have already been in this. It's not entering me. What the fuck? I'm sorry, what the hell is this? Ugh. This stupid ass thing, bro. Looks like I'm in it now. So stupid. It's 1 to 2. So fucking annoying. Something clearly wrong with this freaking site. Now, do we have any highs in our way? No, not really, actually. I like how all the colors are, like, meshing together. Again, I really wish this was not over my drawings. Market order executed? What do you mean market order executed? I'm so confused right now. I really hope it... You guys saw me, like, set multiple orders. I'm gonna reload it again because I hope I do not have multiple orders, like, in play right now. Okay, just one. Good. Because, like, what the hell? Wait a minute! What the hell? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? I'm so confused right now. What is going on? What is this? What the hell? I'm gonna reload again. Guys, you can literally see me, like, panicking. I have no idea what the hell's going on. Why is this increasing substantially? I'm gonna probably move this to break even because I have no idea what's going on right now. This is just substantially, like... What is going... I think all of the orders I set are just starting to be fulfilled. Oh my god. I have multiple orders. Close position. Let's close it because what? Oh my god. There's something gravely wrong with this site, bro. Because why are so many orders being set now? Get rid of you. I'm so confused. Discard. Discard! Oh my god, what the hell, bro? What is going on? What? Get out of here. What? I don't even know if I can post this video because what the hell is going on? I literally moved this up here and confirmed it and it's still... Oh my god. This is like the worst thing that could possibly happen. I don't know what is wrong with TradingView, but there's something severely wrong here. Oh boy, why is it coming back so deep? Because of the 950 macro. Honestly, if I took this now, I'd be back at break even. That would be cool. This is so annoying, bro. I would have been in the trade from here and I wouldn't have, I don't know what the hell TradingView is trying to pull here. My TP won't even be placed. Confirm the placement. Oh my god. What just happened? I got taken out of the trade. I'm so done. I can't even post this. I can't even post this. As you guys can see, you saw the whole thing. I would have entered here, gotten taken out there. I don't know. TradingView, you saw it in real time. I have no fucking clue what was going on. TradingView is a fucking joke. Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. I made $2,000. What the hell? Is the delay, is the data delayed or something? What is going on? No, but wait a minute. That doesn't make any sense. So I guess maybe I made $2,000. I have no fucking clue. This is saying I made 600. No, I made 2,000 because I was at 9,800. I don't know what the hell happened. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end it here. I have no idea. You saw it. I made $2,000. You saw where I would have entered. Would not have been taken out. Goal was up there. I don't know. Some crazy shit happened. Made the $2,000. Although this is saying 600, but I was at $98,000. So I guess what I actually made was $2,000. $2,000. I don't know what the hell's wrong with TradingView. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But you saw it. Literally exactly how I trade in back testing. If TradingView wasn't malfunctioning, it would have worked out. Like, literally, I have no fucking clue what happened in real time. With that being said, if you have any comments, leave them down below. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I need to figure out what the fuck is wrong with this thing. Peace.